Today we're here at the factory powered by Fusion 360. We're building portable speakers, and the idea is allowing our customers to walk through and see what it's like to design something like this speaker and then actually see it fabricated. This particular speaker was made on our CNC, the Pocket NC machine. It's a 5-axis machine. There's a PCB board in here that they designed from scratch and then actually put the components on a board and solder it. And then from there they designed an enclosure. They went through some of the rendering, so they were able to make a very photorealistic rendering. And then to wrap it up, we generated tool paths that would work on a machine like this to actually machine the product. And then we've got a universal laser, which is cutting the grill, the laser cutter. Haas has a lathe that's turning the knobs. And then we also have internally here, there's a 3D printed part on a PrinterBot 3D printer. And then we're prototyping the actual PCB board right around the corner. And then we had some prefab that are actually working in here, so they can plug it in, turn it on, and listen to it. The entire story of being able to see something designed with our product and fabricated and have an end result, something like this.